Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best food containers is probably one of the most essential items in any kitchen, helping to keep your food fresh and organized. But with so many options available, choosing the right set can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of plastic food containers with lids, exploring the key features, benefits, and things to consider when making your purchase, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. FineDine 24-piece glass meal prep containers. These containers are made of premium borosilicate glass, known for its durability and clarity. They are perfect for everyday use and a popular choice for those seeking high-quality kitchenware. Keep your meals fresher for longer with the Airtight seal. The lids fit precisely, ensuring an airtight seal. This makes them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, maintaining flavor and freshness. Simplify your cooking and reheating with these microwave and oven-safe containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles. You can easily transition them from the freezer to the microwave or oven. Whether you're storing large meals or batch cooking, these stackable containers meet all your storage needs. Their sleek and efficient design allows for easy storage, maximizing space in your cabinets and fridge. Prioritize your health with these BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. You can trust them for your food storage. What we like. These containers are made of borosilicate glass, offering superior durability and clarity. They keep your food fresh longer with their airtight seal. If you are looking for a versatile and safe option for both microwave and oven use, you should consider this. What people say. They are solid locking lids. The glass is very clear and looks and works great. The lids do not seem to retain smells from foods that it has been stored in them. Number 4. Prep Naturals 50-pack meal prep containers. Introducing the Prep Naturals meal prep containers, a 50-pack designed for your meal planning needs. These containers are perfect for storing leftovers and planning nutritious meals. These containers help you maintain a healthy lifestyle with smart portion control. It's easy to manage your diet, ensuring every meal is balanced and delicious. The containers are microwave and freezer safe, ideal for storing soup or leftovers. Their robust design withstands temperature variations, providing a reliable food storage solution. The airtight lids prevent spills, making these containers perfect for transporting meals. Whether for a picnic or a party, they keep your food fresh and secure. Choose these reusable containers to reduce waste and support a sustainable lifestyle. They are dishwasher safe and environmentally conscious, perfect for everyday use. What we like. These containers are made of BPA-free plastic, perfect for meal prepping. They are designed for portion control, helping you maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you are looking for an affordable and convenient solution for meal prepping and storing leftovers, you should consider these. What people say. They are great for meal prepping and storing leftovers. The lids fit very well and create a good seal. These containers are perfect for portion control. Number 3. PRAKI 24 PCS Airtight Food Storage Containers. Tired of a messy pantry? This set of 24 containers is the perfect solution. They come in 4 different sizes, ideal for all your storage needs. From large containers for cereal to smaller ones for spices, it has you covered. You can store flour, sugar, pasta, and more. Each container features a silicone sealing strip and locking lids. This ensures that your food stays fresh and dry, protecting it from air and water. Designed to be stacked, these containers maximize your cabinet space. They are easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making them convenient for everyday use. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, it is safe for your family. You can easily see what's inside, making it simple to find what you need. The set also includes labels and a marker. This helps you keep everything organized and avoid confusion between ingredients like flour and sugar. What we like. These containers feature an airtight seal to keep your food fresh and dry. They come in a variety of sizes, perfect for organizing your pantry. If you like to keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh, you should consider this. What people say. The lids seal tightly and keep everything super fresh. No more stale snacks or messy bags. The build quality feels very sturdy and durable, and the sleek, clear design makes it easy to see what's inside while looking neat on my shelves. They're airtight, sturdy, great quality, and come in a variety of super functional sizes. Number 2. Airtight food storage containers with lids. This set includes 20 containers with 20 lids in various sizes, perfect for different meals. It's suitable for taking to the office, picnics, or storing leftovers. You'll find a size for every need. These containers are designed to be stackable, saving space in your kitchen and refrigerator. They nest inside each other, making them ideal for organizing your pantry and maximizing storage. The containers are airtight and leak-proof, with lids that snap securely. They are microwave-safe, without the lid, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe. You can store and transport food without any worries. Made from durable plastic, these containers are built to last. You can use and reuse them with confidence, knowing they won't easily crack or break. They are designed for long-term use. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns about the food storage containers, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. These containers offer a variety of sizes to fit all your needs. Their stackable design saves space in your kitchen. If you are looking for a space-saving and leak-proof solution for storing your food, you should consider these. What people say. Very well made, and the rubber seal around the lip is excellent, as is the locking lids. I have not had one leak a single drop when turned over or bounced around in my lunchbox. Lids fit securely, helping keep food fresh, and they're easy to clean and stack neatly. The set comes with 50 pieces in all different sizes, from large to very small, and includes both square and round options. The snap-on lids are secure and easy to use, keeping food fresh without leaking. Number 1. Meal prep containers with lids. These 2-compartment containers are perfect for meal prepping. The leak-proof design keeps your food fresh, and the quick-open lids make it easy to grab and go. Use these containers for work, travel, or takeout. Each compartment separates your main course and sides, keeping everything in perfect portions. These containers are designed to withstand bending, twisting, and temperature changes. The airtight lids seal tight, ensuring your food stays safe and secure. This 50-pack set of 32-ounce containers is stackable and lightweight for easy storage. They are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them incredibly convenient. Made from food-grade PP plastics, these BPA-free containers are temperature-resistant and microwavable. The durable design minimizes cracking, and they are also eco-friendly and recyclable. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with these containers, our customer service team is here to help you quickly and easily. What we like. These containers have a 2-compartment design, perfect for separating your meals. They are leak-proof, ensuring no spills. If you like to take your lunch to work or school, you should consider these. What people say. Each container holds 32 ounces across 2 compartments, ideal for keeping mains and sides separate without mixing. They're the perfect size for lunch or dinner portions. I freeze meals in them, reheat straight in the microwave, just remove the lid first, and toss them in the dishwasher afterward. They don't warp or crack, and the lid still fits snugly after repeated use. They're BPA-free and solid, see construction and BPA-free label on page 3. The double-thickness lids seal tightly, no leaks even with sauces or juicy foods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.